Hi, I'm Sarah Paulson. I'm the Coastal Restoration Science Technician with the Nature Conservancy, and we're out today doing our fish trap survey that we do in partnership with the Rhode Island Department of Environmental Management. And we set our fish traps at 12 different sites throughout the Providence River and the upper Narragansett Bay in order to assess the species diversity of fish and crabs that we have around here. So we put our fish traps out and they are unbaited, and the fish swim into them throughout the 4-day period that they're down there, and then we haul them back up onto the boat and count and measure everything that's in them. And we get all kinds of species, from black sea bass and tautog and scup to blue crabs and spider crabs, and even dogfish like we had today, which are a small species of shark. So we collect this data and we share it with Rhode Island DEM, and this adds to an ongoing time series of data that helps to document the species diversity throughout the Providence River estuary and Narragansett Bay, and that helps to improve the management of this resource throughout the bay and for the future.